Hi everyone, welcome back to ZAPS. Hope you enjoyed the last show and are ready for the next episode. At the moment I'm actually away, but it's chucking it down where I am, so everyone here is stuck inside. And therefore the songs I'm playing today are what I think are perfect for a rainy day. I hope you're all okay and that sort of wherever you are, the weather's not as bad as it is here. You may have noticed I've got a different design today than last time. I think it's slightly better. But for our third and final episode, I'll try to get the best one yet. We're going to start off the day with a song that I stumbled across randomly once, and I've no idea why, but I'm a big fan. So here is Taking Up Space by Mustard Service.
I'm going down. Got a bag with the things you left around, taking up space. But I'll keep it here now, just in case you'll never die. I try to shoot you down, you're still alive, taking up space in my heart and on my face. It was all it, don't feel like I should. Brings lunch to work. Can't help but feeling like a jerk. What can I do? I'm still singing songs for you. It was always the same old dream.
Cool. I think that's a really sick song and perfect for a rainy day. I can never tell if that song's happy or sad. It sort of seems to flip between the two, but I think it's pretty chilled either way. Now, as per usual, I'll quickly run over the sport and news. In sport, Lionel Messi, after leaving Barcelona only a few days ago, has now signed for Paris Saint-Germain. He will wear the number 30 shirt instead of his notorious number 10. And in the news, A-level students got their results on Tuesday, and there are a record number of top grades. However, controversy about the state and private school gap. Next broadcast will actually interview a student taking their A-levels next year and find out what their thoughts are. Your fact today is a wildlife fact. Kangaroo rats are so adapted to desert life that they can go their whole lives without drinking a single drop of water. Which, if you think about it, is insane and almost seems impossible. However, it turns out that they actually get their moisture from their seed dirt. A new segment to run alongside Fact of the Day is called What Holiday Is It? Because every day seems to be a holiday of something. So it turns out that today is National Mountain Day in Japan, but also National Son and Daughter Day, meaning if you have a brother or a sister, you could persuade your parents to spoil you a bit. Now, moving on, our next song is still a song that I think works for a rainy day. It's actually a cover of the very famous song Move On Up by Curtis Mayfield, but not as joyous and ecstatic, yet like taking up space, not sad either. Here is Move On Up by the Dynamics.
Hush now, child, don't you cry.
A pretty groovy song, I'd say. Next show, we'll probably only have time for one song, given that we have the interview too. But if we have time, we may be able to squeeze in two. Anyhow, I'm signing off for now, and I hope you all have a fantastic rest of the week. And for my sakes, I hope it stops raining. See ya.